So this is year 11, homework 13 for Mr. Reed's Maths group. We get straight on with question 1. I've started off the first question for you actually. You've got to factorise fully, and if you remember when we are factorising and there's two things in the question, it's often the case that it goes into just one bracket. So it's your job to do one bracket factorisation on each of those. We'll move on to question 2. And these are those easier quadratics that you factorise into two brackets, so I'll get you started on this. If I say we want two brackets like that, if you remember that technique for factorising, be careful with the minus sign here and here. They are relevant and they do change the signs that you get in these brackets here, particularly on a question like this one, question D, where you've got a positive here but a minus there. You've got to think carefully about what that means. On to question 3. This is more complicated, factorising when you've got a coefficient of x squared, and you have been shown techniques of how to do that. And this question D is actually the same topic, factorising, it's just on a shape, just to confuse, but it's actually the same topic. On to question 4. Function notation. Now, given the function f of x and the function g of x, you've got to do some numerical work first of all. What is f of 10? What's g of 12? They're just numbers. This is an algebraic one. What is f of t? Think about what f of x is and see if you can work that out. And then you've got this question D here. What is g of f of 4? And I'm going to give a clue here. You do the f of 4 bit first. You always start on the inside with these. And then the last one, the most difficult aspect of this, is finding a composite function algebraically. So you've got to find f of g of x. And again, g of x is the thing you do first, and that is the input to the f function. You can come and see me if you get stuck. On to the next question. This is just some simple fraction work. We've done fraction months ago as a class, but it helps just to practice it occasionally. So working out the area of those shapes, give your answer as a fully simplified mixed number where appropriate. On to question 6. We've got some non-calculator, fractional, negative in some cases, indices, and it does say you must show your method, so please, if you are simplifying these and trying to work out what they are, show any intermediate steps that you need to. If we're moving on to the next question. This is just simple division work. Some of you I've said in the past that you've never seen short division or bus-stop division, or you've never seen long division with integers. It's up to you to make sure on that non-calculator paper that you can do maths like this. So there's just some basic work just to practice that, make sure you can do it. You could always check them on a calculator, make sure you're getting them right. It doesn't hurt to practice the basics sometimes. I think there's a couple more questions. Well, yeah, this is the last question actually, and it helps to talk about exact areas sometimes, and you'll have far more complex questions on your exam, maybe the exact volume of a cone, something like that, where you leave pi in your answer. So again, we're practicing the basics. You need to work out the exact area of each of these shapes. You'll leave pi in your answer, remember your units, and of course this is a quarter of a circle, so just be careful. Right, so that's the homework. It's not too difficult in terms of the content, but we're just jumping about from topic to topic and making sure you're keeping those skills up to date. Come and see me if you are stuck with any of it.